So we are on the path from Najaf to Karbala, and this is Arbaeen, the biggest gathering of humans, peaceful gathering of humans, and it happens every year. 27 million people or so will walk from Najaf to Karbala. And I just arrived to Iraq yesterday, fighting the jet lag, but it's really energizing being out here with the people. I don't know why that word is so hard for me to remember. Okay, so along the way of Arbaeen, there are basically rest stations set up, mostly of Iraqis, that some of them save up the entire year to be able to afford serving the pilgrims that come every year. But here we have several Mawkibs. So I can't remember this word, Mawkibs. These are the Mawkibs. So it's basically rest stations. They feed the people. They give the people massages. They give them drinks and basically just give them sustenance to continue on their 50-mile pilgrimage in like 110-degree weather, by the way. There's ones from Malaysia, Indonesia, Singapore.
This Mawkib from Malaysia, then they can get the massage for
So
this food.
basically, they came all the way from Indonesia to give massages
Yes,
to
yes.
the pilgrims.
You know, this is machine from Malaysia.
Wow.
They come. Yeah. Not in my country.
So are you gonna get a massage?
Yeah.
So this is my new friend Chiki.
Yay! Hello, Jan!
My Indonesian sister.
Yay!
Even though we're tired and there's so much jet lag, you're energized by the scenes of the people.
And the people, you know, they're awesome. Their energy.
Yeah.
I saw the news about America bombing like one of the Iraqi military base near Karbala.
Yeah.
But now, this afternoon, I see a lot of people don't feel any afraid and still go to Karbala.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's amazing, you know, their resistance.
Right. I think that this is a glimpse into what life could look like. You know, here at Arbaeen, there's no money that's exchanged. People are doing all of this out of the goodness of their hearts and their love for the people. Yeah. Wow. Yeah. Do you want coffee?
I'm gonna watch you get a coffee.
Okay.
Ice cream.
Oh, it's ice cream. Where's the coffee? Oh, wow. Aww. I mean, there's pilgrimages in other parts of the world, but you have to have a lot of money to be able to do that. Most people who are pilgrimaging. It's a good thing that I'm not vegan anymore, guys, because I'm eating a lot of meat in Iraq. This is Indonesian, though. I already forgot what it's called. Some sort of rice and beef dish.
We want to show our belief to all people in the world.
So the US and Saudi Arabia bombed pilgrims this morning, and does that make you afraid to be out here at all?
No,
And
no. We hear this news in this morning, but we are here. But we are here, all of us. We hate America. I'm sorry, but we hate America, and we want to say that America can't do anything. And we have our Rahbar, Khomeini, Mr. Khomeini.
this is honoring Al-Aqsa, and look at all of the massive Palestinian flags lining the streets in Iraq.